Hey guys, welcome once again. This video is quite different from nerdy electronic designs. Day by day, mobile networking is evolving drastically. The Cellular Operator Association of India has stated that the latest mobile broadband technology, 5G, will be brought in new unique network and service capabilities, and it will be 1000 times faster than 4G. Also, it will provide internet access in areas. First, we'll understand what is mobile networking. It is a technology that can support voice or data network connectivity via radio transmission solution. Well, there are various generations of mobile networking. Like first generation came in 1981. It was based on analog transmission. Second generation, which was introduced in 1991, was GSM, Global System for Mobile. It was based on digital transmission. Next was 2.5G. It had GPRS, that is General Package Radio Service, which was introduced in 2000, which enables mobile devices to send or receive data with speed up to 150 kbps. After that, third generation having speed up to 2048 kbps, or we can say 2 Mbps, which uses WCDMA, that is Wideband Code Division Multiple Access. And now we are using 4G, which attains speed from 10 to 100 Mbps, offering reduced delays and new services. Even with high speed, there are many problems with 4G. This technology is supposed to use orthogonal frequency division multiplexing instead of time division multiple access, in order to minimize interface and crosstalk. According to International Telecommunication Union, the aim of graduating 4G from 3G was to offer long-range, high-speed wireless communication. However, network providers have now realized that in order to successfully implement the next generation, that is 5G, they would need to start investing in fiber optics communications extensively. Currently, in developing countries like India, Reliance Infotel is setting up its own fiber optics base for not only intercity communication but intracity services as well. What this 5G is gonna do? There is no doubt that the next generation wireless broadband technology will make the world smarter, from MMS to video streaming, from connected vehicles to autonomous driving, from nano IoT to implantable wearable devices. Every application is moving to next level. 5G will help to connect devices with each other with device-to-device standards. This D2D technology would be beneficial even when the network is out of range. A wide range of sensor network can be used for many applications like security systems. Basically, 5G integrated 4G technology, which can offer more than 1 Gbps speed, communication sector is going to see a massive increase in demand when 5G takes place. According to a report by 5gco.uk, 5G network will be capable of data transfer at rate up to 20 Gbps. Similarly, Nokia expects 5G to enable streaming of an 8K video in 3D. Experts suggest that 5G will provide ultra-fast, ultra-reliable and ultra-high capacity transmission at low latency, making communication and streaming faster. What is the current scenario of 5G? US is one of the first countries to invest in 5G by opening up the high band spectrum for the technology, and they have already started in the area. The broadband services will provide 5G radio base stations and 5G home routers to the customer for trials. In the UK, University of Surrey's 5G Innovation Centre has conducted trials and claims to have achieved higher speed of about 1 terabyte per second, which is over 60,000 times faster than 4G. With such enormous speed, user would be able to download a file around 100 times larger than a full movie in just 3 seconds. However, whether this speed can be achieved in real time is still questionable. Chinese company Huawei has already tied up with the university to explore 5G technology. South Korea aims to release its 5G technology during 2018 Olympics using high data transmission frequency up to 3.2 Gbps. Japan also plans to deploy 5G mobile services by 2020 and has already started field trials in Tokyo. Japanese telecom giants also partnered with Huawei for a trial using 23 devices which achieved a cumulative 11.29 Gbps of data throughput with a latency below 0.5 milliseconds. Well, this latency can be defined as time required by a source to send a packet of data to the receiver. However, there are huge expectations from this technology, like enhanced communication as well as connectivity. According to ITU, Radio Communication Standardization Sector, 5G will be widely used for enhanced mobile broadband and massive machine type communications and low latency communications. 5G technology will enhance mobile broadband for applications like virtual reality. As far as ultra reliable communication is concerned, 5G's low latency will ensure faster communication with fewer glitches. Sectors such as healthcare, automotive, like smart cars and intelligent mobility concepts and IoT are highly dependent on this technology. It will help service providers to overcome present limitation of bandwidth capacity and infrastructure. Also, the BMW, in partnership with some other communication companies, started trial on 5G outdoor mobility in South Korea. This was the first multi-vehicular 5G trial. These trials were conducted on 5G test network that was installed in car test tracker. The trials were successful and showed that 5G can support vehicle 2x, that is vehicle connectivity services, which requires low latency and high bidirectional throughput in terms of machine type communication. 5G will support massive low cost IoT connections and provide connectivity in inaccessible areas as well. This will be useful for exchange of large amount of data. In fleet management, 5G will be suitable for sending updates on engine performance, total miles driven, and faults identified in vehicles. Thus, this will decrease unnecessary costs and maximize the fuel efficiency. 5G will soon become underlying fabric of our ecosystem by providing robotics and automation, artificial intelligence. India has already filed 100 patents regarding 5G network. These patents will enable to generate indigenous intellectual property. Similarly, in India, major telecoms such as Airtel and BSNL have joined with Nokia to roll out 5G network. Also, Reliance Jio has partnered with Samsung to bring 5G network in India as well as enhance its existing LTE network. Now, the biggest concern is the availability of spectrum. 5G requires a new high-frequency band to achieve the desired data speed. When the 5G is deployed, it will be upgraded with high satellite networks that includes telecom satellites and earth imaging satellites. There may be installation of nano antenna at different geographical locations such as roadside, hospitals and villages to broadcast high-speed broadband signals. And it is also assumed that sea to space connectivity would be possible once 5G is deployed completely. Well, mobile networking technology is also evolving day by day. Let me know what you guys think about this in comment section. Hit the like button if you did like this content and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you'll get the notification whenever I post any new videos. And for last, thanks for watching.